We're now in the position to chart our data, and this comes in handy when you're looking for a quick visual way to track the progress of one student with respect to another. But also, sometimes in parent-teacher conferences, you'll need to justify your grading, and it's handy to be able to show a particular parent why you assigned their child a particular grade with respect to the performance of their classmates. Of course, you'd probably want to anonymize the names of the other students. In order to do this, there are two ways to access the charting function. One is from the speed button bar. You'll note that there's an insert chart option there, but also under the insert menu, you can access the chart function that way. So let's click on that because it's handy. The first thing we need to do is specify the horizontal data, the x-axis data. So we'll click and drag on the name entries, including the column header name. We'll then click on add another range, and we'll click and drag on the weighted average data, including weighted average as the column header. So what we've done here is we've specified both our X and our Y values, the horizontal data and the corresponding vertical data. Click OK. And in the dialog box that comes up, we need to do one other thing here. You need to click Use Row 5 as headers. Whichever row contains your column header information, you need to click on that so that the data ranges are named correctly. You then need to specify the type of chart that you want to generate. Now there are a variety of options here. We can click through those, but we're looking to do a column chart for the purposes of this exercise. So let's just click on that and then click on Customize. This will allow us to label our axes and then also to apply a title. So we'll begin with the chart title customization. You can entitle that with the name of the class, whatever it might be. I'm just calling this Biology 101. And you can boldface that and apply a color if you so choose. And you can make the font a little larger even. Let's then scroll down, and you'll note that in the axes group, we'll start with a horizontal menu, and we'll entitle that Names. And when you click off of that to deselect it, note that label's been applied. You then have to go back to the drop down for Access and select Left Vertical, and we'll entitle that Weighted Averages. And then finally, click Insert or Update, and your chart will appear right below your spreadsheet.